Alright, this is 130 Citrus Ave in Dunedin, and we're at the clean out right outside the back of the house. And we just wanted to report was that there was a bunch of sludge and buildup inside of this main line, so we're just wanting to get this on video, get an idea of what we got in here. Definitely quite a bit of buildup in here. So the camera's kind of bulldozing through it. Almost feels like it might be might have gotten some stuff on the front of the lens, but I'm going to keep pushing and see if we get out of it. There we go. Oh yeah, it's just loaded. So in order to get this stuff out of here, we're going to have to go to supposedly another clean out at the end, which we'll have to jet from so that we can pull all this stuff back out. Yeah, this can definitely benefit from jetting. That's a fairly long run. Alright, so we've got a PVC clean out, and I want to see how far it is to the main from there. This is probably going to be our drop. That's the drop to the city clay. Okay. So that's a two-way. I'm going to go locate that. Hopefully that's 4-inch. Alright, so I've got it located. Hopefully it's stubbed to grade. The pipe back there is 3 feet, 10 inches deep. I'm just going to let this record as I pull back so you can see all of the debris that's in here. Oh yeah, it's loaded. About 70 foot of debris. With as much debris that's in here, this thing's probably going to have to be open-ended. And basically what that means is where that pipe is, that's going to have to get dug up, because all this debris's got to have somewhere to go. What we don't want to do is push all that into the main line before the clay and then have that line back up on us. Alright, so again, this is the clean out right up next to the back of the house. Let me see if I can clean some of this debris off my camera head. Obviously there's the back porch of the house, you know which house we're looking at. And that's obviously before any jetting or any work's been done. I'm going to go ahead and conclude the video and see if that clean out in the back is stubbed to grade.